Hi, myself M. Junita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we can see what is data type in SQL. What is a data type? A data type specifies a particular type of data such as integer, character, float point, boolean, etc. A data type also specifies the possible values for that type, the operation that can perform on the type, and the way the value of the type are stored. Various data types. There are various data types. For example, character data type, numerical data type, boolean data type, date data type, interval data type, LOB data type, XML data type. In this video, we are mainly focused on the data type of the Oracle. First, see character data type. What is character data type? Character data type is used to store the character data. What is character? Character is nothing but alphanumerical value that represent single characters or strings of characters, that is group of characters. In the character data type, we have various data type, that is char data type, varchar2 and varchar data type, nchar and nchar2 data type, LOB character data type, long data type. Let's see one by one. Char of size. Fixed length character data of length size byte. It contains letters, numbers and special characters. It's stored in the form of ASCII values. The maximum size is 2000 bytes per row. The default size is 1 byte per row. Next is varchar2 of size. It is a variable length character data. It contains letter, number, special character. It is also stored in the form of ASCII value. It's up to, we can store up to 4000 bytes per rows. Next is vchar of size. It is fixed length character data of length size character or bytes depend on the national character set. That is, we can store the data in the format of Unicode. Okay. The upper limit of this is 2000 bytes per row. Default is 1 character or 1 bytes. Depend on the character set. Next is vchar2 of size. Variable length character data of length size character or bytes depend on the national character set. A maximum size must be specified. In this also, data is stored in the format of Unicode. Next is CLOB, a character length object containing single byte character data. We can store up to 4 gigabytes of data inside this. Next is NCLOB, single bits or fixed length multi-bit national character set, that is nchar data. We can store nchar data, that is Unicode data inside the is, but we can store large amount of data. We can extend up to 4 gigabytes in the data type. Next is long. Long is a variable length character data, the variable of each row in a table up to 2 gigabytes per row, provided for backward compatibilities. Let's see the example for char and varchar2. Char is a fixed length character string, whereas varchar2 is character string of varying length. Let's see the two diagram here. First diagram is representing the data type which is stored in char data type. That is, the value, that is size is fixed. we can't able to change the size. Let's see, we have three string here. First string is Python, which have 6 character length. Second, HTML having 4 character length, and next is it has 10 character length. For storing any data, it take all the 12 length for storing that data. See, Python has 6 character length, remaining 6 is blocked by it. We can't able to use that by any other value. Okay, next you can see the variant length, that is varchar2 data type. By using varchar2, we can use the extra space by the other data. See, the same we have 3 string, that is first Python, HTML and Linux server. For Python we need 6 character space. So 6 character space is used by Python, and 6 spaces is not blocked by that. It is spaced is you can utilized by another process, another data. See, HTML using only 4 character, remaining spaces used by another data. Likewise, you can utilize the free space by other data. Let's see the example for number data type. You can see the actual data format and store as. That is, actual data is 123.79, but the data type we are given as number, simply number without the parenthesis. If we give the like that, means it is stored as the same as the actual data. Next you can see the format is number of 3. That is, you are not specify the scale in the data type. So the digit after the dot is eliminated, and only 124 is stored as the data. In third, you can see that data is the same data, that is 123.79. The format you are storing is number of 3, 2. The 3 is the P, that is precedence, and 2 is scale. But it will show the error, existing precision. That is, the precision must be the total number of digit. The total number of digit is 5, but we are giving try to give 3. Instead of 5, we are giving 3. So it will not store the data, it will show the error. Next is also the same. If we are using number of 5, 2, means the data will store as it is. It has 5 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. So for total digit is 5. So 5, 2. After point we have 2 digits. Okay. Next, let's see. Next format, number of 6, 1. 6, 1 means total number of digit is 6, and After decimal point there must be one digit. So this data will be stored as 123.8. See next example, number of 6 comma minus 2. 6 is the total digit. In scale we are using negative scale. So we saw if you use negative scale means it will store the data as 100. Let's see another example for the negative scale. That is we are try to store 74 lakhs 56,123.89 for and the format is number of 7 comma minus 2. Then the data is stored inside is 74 lakhs 56,100. So after decimal point 2 minus 2 we are giving. So after decimal point 2 digit is converted to zeros. Okay. Next example is number of 4 comma 5. In this the we are giving 4 comma 5 but actual data is 0.05678. it is stored as like it is. Okay. As the there is no digit before the dot decimal point. Before the decimal point we have no data, no numbers, so it is stored the data as it is. Okay, like this the format and storage is given. Next data type is Boolean data type. The data type Boolean compresses the distinct truth value, that is true or false. The Boolean data type also support the unknown truth value as null value. Next is date data type. The date data type store point in time values, dates and times in a table. The date data type stores the year including the century, the month, the date, the hour, the minutes and the seconds. For input and output of date, the standard Oracle date format is DD-MON-YY. For example, if we want to store 13th November 1992 means you want to give as 13-NOV-92. We can change the default date format for an instance by using toDate function. That is toDate within bracket we want to specify the format, date and the format. That is November 13 comma 1992 comma month DD comma YYYY. If the date format DD-MON-YY is used, YY indicate the year in the 20th century. For example, 31 December 92 is December 32 1992. If we want to include the year in any century other than 20th century, use a different format mask as shown above. Next data type is interval data type. It stores the quantity of time between two date time values. For example, between 10 and 12:30 is an interval of 2:30, that is 2 hours and 30 minutes. There are two classes of intervals. The first one, called year month intervals, includes no fields other than year and month, though not both are required. The next class, called day time interval, that can include any field other than year or month. Next data type is LOB data type. The LOB data types we have BLOB, CLOB, NCLOB and B file. Enable you to store and manipulate large block of unstructured data such as text, graphic images, video clips and sound waveforms in binary or character format. The LOB data type differ from long and long raw data type in several ways. For example, a table can contain multiple LOB columns but only one long column. A table containing one or more LOB columns can be partitioned, but the table containing a long column cannot be partitioned. The maximum size of LOB is 128 terabyte depending on database block size, and the maximum size of long is only 2 gigabyte. The LOB support random access to data, but long support only sequential access. The LOB data type including NCLOB can be attributes of user-defined object type by long data type cannot. The table with LOB columns can be replaced, but table with long columns cannot. Next data type is BLOB data type. The BLOB data type stores unstructured binary data in the database. BLOB can store up to 128 terabyte of binary data. BLOB participate fully in transaction. The changes made to BLOB value by the DBMS LOB package, PLSQL or OCI can be committed or rolled back whenever BLOB locator cannot span transaction or section. The next data type is B-file data type. B-file data type store unstructured binary data in operating system file outside the database. A B-file column or attribute store a file locator at point of an external file containing the data. The amount of B-file data can be stored is limited by the operating system. B-file can read only. You cannot modify them. They support only random, no sequential reads, and they do not participate in transaction. The underlying operating system must maintain the file integrity, security and durability for B files. The database administrator must ensure that the file exists and that Oracle database process have operating system read permission on the file. Next data type is XML data type. It is used to store and query XML data in the database. When we create an XML type column in a table, we can choose to store the XML data in a CLOB column as binary XML stored internally as the CLOB or object relationally. I hope you understand the various data types in SQL. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.